Hey, what's good, Mexit Planners? As I walked down the street, I saw this house that had their tinaco overflowing, and I thought I'd record it for you so you can kind of see what it looks like. Yeah, they're having a problem with their water system. The pump is overflowing the tinaco, and it's draining out on the thing. Now, that's going to either cost them an electric or it's going to cost them in their water bill, because that pump is just running and the float is out. So this is a common problem here in the Yucatan, where the float will go out and not stop the pump from running. Basically, it was just water spilling out in their downspout, a lot of water spilling out in their downspout. And basically, this is one of the common problems I've had here in the Yucatan, where your float inside of your tinaco is jammed or stuck or doesn't, actually float or go out. It's kind of like what happens in your toilet. And essentially it keeps the pump running, which continues to fill up the tinaco, and then it eventually will overflow onto the roof or whatever, right? And so that's the situation with this house. This is the kind of tasty tidbits that my members are getting from the channel. So if you like this information, do me a favor, hit the like button and consider becoming a member. Also, if you want to know more about the plumbing systems here in Merida, check out the video that I'll link to in the description, where I go through the details of how plumbing works here in Merida.